Hey guys, if you would like to see how I got this winged glam eye look, stick around.
Let's take a long walk around the park after dark. Find a spot for us to spark conversation, verbal elation, stimulation. Share our situation, temptation, education, relaxation, elevation.
I'm going in and spraying my face with Tasha's Dewy Skin Mist, and then I'm just going to start on my eyes using Juvia'S Masquerade Palette. And since I'm going for a natural eye look, I just started packing a neutral into my crease, and then you'll just see me build the browns up. I'm now doing the cut crease. I'm sure if you are here, this is what you are here for. And I'm just doing it like you would normally do a cut crease. But what I'm gonna do is at the end, I'm going to almost do it like a wing liner and fan it out at the end. I don't know if that's the right word, but I'm gonna create like a tail on the end of the crease. I cannot stress this enough. This is just like putting on a wing liner. Like, you do too much, like you can just hang it up. It's over. You just got to start over. So just take your time and get it the way you want it to look. Because if you rush, you're gonna mess up. because I wanted to be a little extra, I took the blue that was in the palette and I just popped that on my waterline. Guys, thanks for watching. This video is way past due, but you know, I still got it out to y'all because why? Because I love y'all. Like, okay? Make sure you subscribe.